Only 5 Jamaican-born musicians went #1 on the US Billboard Hot 100. And here they are.
Everybody was kung fu fighting.
Carl Douglas, Kung Fu Fighting. The first Jamaican-born artist to top the Billboard Hot 100, Carl Douglas scored a worldwide phenomenon with Kung Fu Fighting. The song became one of the biggest selling tracks of all time.
Here come the hot stepper. I'm the lyrical gangster.
Aini Kamoze, Here Comes the Hot Stepper. Aini Kamoze brought dancehall to the mainstream with Here Comes the Hot Stepper. The song spent multiple weeks at #1 and remains one of the biggest reggae and dancehall crossovers ever released.
But you got me on the counter.
Wasn't me.
Saw me kissing on the smoke.
Shaggy, It Wasn't Me, and Angel. Shaggy dominated 2001 with back-to-back #1 hits. It Wasn't Me became a global cultural moment, while Angel proved his success wasn't a one-hit wonder, cementing him as one of Jamaica's biggest international stars. This next artist also has 2 #1s. Wanna can guess who?
Yo, sexy ladies want part with us in the car with us.
Sean Paul, Get Busy and Temperature. Sean Paul took dancehall to another level with Get Busy and later Temperature. He became the first Jamaican-born artist to earn 2 #1 singles as a lead artist, introducing dancehall to a newer generation.
Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader.
Omi, Cheerleader. Omi's Cheerleader was originally a modest reggae track, but after the remix, it became a global smash. The song spent 6 weeks at #1 on the US Billboard Hot 100 and topped charts in more than 20 countries. Alright guys, well that was the list. If you guys enjoy content like this, follow for more.